Hey, let me show you all screen of gestures that you can use on the Realme 12 5G. So you can find all of them in the settings. Then you will have to scroll to additional settings, move into the gestures and the motions, and from here we have to open the screen of gestures. And as you can see, we've got the draw and O, V, a draw this sign, M or W. And when you turn on these options, we can even change this. So we can actually unlock, call, or open an app. So we can actually customize it. So that you can do this for the sign, for M and the W, but for the O, we actually cannot change it. And for the V, we also cannot. So let's try to draw O at the first. As you can see, this camera was opened. Now let's try to draw Y. There we go, the flashlight is turned on. Another one, it was actually this sign. But we have to unlock the phone. And we'll be moved into the calculator. Then we've got M. And the last one will be the W. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.